So you want to make sure to keep these noodles as long as possible. So we know that shrimp should turn opaque and pink. Starving. Looking at this is making me hungry.
Hey guys, I'm Tila, and this is Ready, Jet, Cook, where I take the mystery out of Asian cuisine by showing you how to make some of my favorite dishes from shop to cook. What's happening is the eggs are coating the rice, and it creates this naturally non-stick surface. I developed this pho dish because everybody likes to eat pho, but no one wants to make the 2-day broth. So what I'm looking for is the cornstarch to start activating. All of the noodles and vegetables absorb this beautiful gravy that you've made. This really is the dish that brought us together.
I married him for a free cooking lesson.
All right, Mom, you know what we're making?
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai, very good. Do you know how to use this machine? Can we get another cashier here? So there it is, the Tila family Pad Thai recipe. So here it is, my Korean short rib tacos. I'm gonna monster this whole plate. This is Ready, Jet, Cook.